In this video, I will show you how to add shadow effects in image in CapCut. So after you open the CapCut, now import your image. So now here is my image. If I want to add shadow effect to this image, so after you click on the image like this, go to this video, remove background. I will remove the background image. So now I remove the background image for the image. So all you have to do now, under the remove background, click on this stroke. After you click on this stroke, now select this solid stroke. After you select the solid stroke, scroll to down. So here you can change the color. So I'll click on this and change the color to red. Scroll to down again. So if you scroll to down, you can change the size. So I'll change the size to this size. So I'll just take the opacity to back like this. So after you take the opacity to like 50, so from there, as you can see now, I have now the shadow effect to my image. If you play the image like this, as you can see now here is the shadow effect on my image, and that's it. If this video helps, please like and subscribe.